I can't get enough of all the love. Give me that good time feeling. Give me that good time feeling. Get enough of all the love. Give me that good time feeling. Give me that good time feeling. I can't get enough. No, I can't get enough.
Hi, it's Pina from Fashion Justice. Welcome back to my channel, and if you are stopping by for the first time, then welcome. I'm so glad you're here. I'm a fashion and beauty blogger, and I do this because I just want to inspire you to be the absolute best version of you every single day, because I really truly believe that life is too short to not be our best selves every day. So with that said, I'm going to talk to you this week about 4 tips on how to keep your lips luscious, healthy, and beautiful. So as you know, I launched a lip balm product last summer. It's been doing really well, and as I've been selling my product and doing pop-ups and going to shows, I have these amazing customers like standing right in front of me, and of course the first thing that I do is analyze their lips. And I've just realized that so many people are getting it all wrong when it comes to their lips. So I just want to give you these 5 tips on how to keep your lips beautiful. So let us start with tip number 1. Now, before I get into the tips, remember how important it is to keep your lips hydrated and moisturized, because with everything that is going on out there in the world today, dry lips tend to attract viruses. So keep that in mind. If they're dry and cracked, you tend to attract bacteria and all kinds of different viruses. So you kind of want to make sure that your lips are hydrated so that you don't catch anything, and you want to be really safe. So let's start with tip number 1. This one, I just can't believe people do this, but the first thing is, I'm going to tell you, please do not ever lick your lips. Last week I did a pop-up and I asked a girl, her lips looked pretty dry, and I said to her, like, what do you do to hydrate your lips? And she said, I lick them. That is the worst thing you could do. The saliva that you put on your lips, it's just going to perpetuate a lot more dryness on your lips. And I'm shocked that people do this, but I guess they do. So avoid licking your lips at all costs. Tip number 2 is avoid lip balms that have color and artificial flavors. And the reason for that is color in a lip balm tends to dry out your lips, as well as flavor that is not natural. So if you see those strawberry, vanilla flavors, what have you, and they're synthetic, they're going to dry out your lips. Now, my lip balm has a champagne flavor, but the champagne is natural champagne extract. And so because of that, it's not synthetic, it is pure, and it is not going to dry out your lips. So stay away at all costs. And the other thing is, people ask me, when are you going to come up with a lip balm that has a color? And I'd love to do that, but I'm not going to do it for the sake of compromising the quality of the product. And so if you want color, you know what, just put on lipstick and put the lip balm over it, or wear a lip liner, and that way you can have whatever color you want. But stay away from that, because the number 1 thing is you want to make sure you have hydration. Tip number 3 is avoid lip products that are going to irritate your lips. So this means stay away from lip plumpers. I say this all the time because lip plumpers might plump your lips for a few minutes, but will tend to dry your lips. And also stay away from irritants such as lip balms that contain menthol and eucalyptus and camphor, which is what you find in Carmax. That is going to get you addicted because it's not working. So stay away from those products. All they're going to do is irritate your lips, get you addicted for all the wrong reasons, and it's going to get you you're going to keep applying a product that is just going to continually irritate your lips and is not going to give you any hydration whatsoever. Tip number 4, and I can't believe I have to say this, but this is what my customers tell me, and I can't believe it. Do not pick your dry, cracked lips. Please, please don't do that. As tempting as that could be, it is the worst thing. You are going to, first of all, you're picking at your dry, cracked lips with your dirty fingers. You are introducing the potential for bacteria in your lips. And when your lips are dry and cracked, it's going to get in there and you are going to be exposed to potential bacteria, viruses, and infections. So, just maybe chew a piece of gum if this is something that you're really tempted to do, but please stay away from picking at your lips. It is the worst thing that you can do. Now, tip number 5 is avoid spicy or very, very salty foods or irritating foods, acidic foods that have the potential to irritate your lips, and also foods that are very citrusy will tend to irritate your lips as well. So try to avoid that. I mean, if you've ever had like a whole bag of salty chips, you'll know that it actually dries out your lips. So try to stay away from that, although you can eat all the great salty food you want, but just make sure you've got slather your lips with a lot of lip balm and then you're okay. So there you go. Those are my easy tips on how to ensure you have a soft, luscious, and healthy lips. I do hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much if you stayed till the end. I truly appreciate it. Consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. Also check out my Instagram account, LawyerPina147, for some really cool, fun, inspirational outfits, and Glam by Pina, which is my brand where you can purchase my awesome champagne flavored lip balm. And if you have any questions about this product, let me know. It's all natural and organic, and when people buy it the first time, they're just so addicted to it. So it's doing really well and I'm so happy. But thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next week. Stay absolutely fabulous. Take care, everybody.